Hello everyone, in this video I would like to introduce you to SwingBench. SwingBench is an excellent tool for load testing and benchmarking Oracle database server. Although rather old, with latest version of 2.4 released back in 2010, it works with the latest version of Oracle database 12c. Installation is super easy. Just download the latest version for Dominic Gill's website and extract the file to your hard drive, say C SwingBench. For Windows user, you can go to WinBin directory for further configuration. For Linux user, go to bin directory. In order to use SwingBench, you need to install user-specific schema into your database. For example, for order entry, you need to run oawizard.bat, and for calling circle test, you need to run ccwizard.bat. In this example, I will install order entry user schema. Double-click your oawizard.bat to run the wizard. Skip the first screen. At the second screen, select to create the schema. At the next screen, fill in your database information. Next, type in the user for the schema and its tablespace. I changed the tablespace location so that it will be created in the database folder. At the data file size, choose the default 1 GB because it will automatically grow. At the last screen, it will ask for parallelism. I choose the default 8 because I have quad-core processor. The schema's creation will start shortly after you press OK. Wait for it to finish because it will take some time, which is in my case it takes about 10 minutes. The schema creation is completed. Now I want to show you what data is just created. Login as SOE user and select its tables. Edit them using text editor to add select count star from table name and paste the result into SQL Plus window. Now you see that SOE schema holds huge amount of data, with order items table alone contain 13 million rows of data. Let's start the test by executing swingbench.bat from WinBin directory. It's quite simple. Just fill in your database information at the upper left corner of the window. You may also want to set queries proportion at the upper right corner to make it closer to your application. To run the test, just press the button with play icon at the toolbar below the menu. You can see the real-time result at the lower left corner of the window. It will need some time to reach stability, which is the real test result. In this case, the average transactions per minute is nearly 600 transactions. That's quite fast as a database server. SwingBench provides 4 other pre-built test configuration which reside in configs folder. Not all tests need specific user schema objects because some configs share the same schema. For example, OE-config and SOE-config use the same SOE schema. In this example, I will show you how to use the configuration file by running order entry test because it uses the same SOE user schema. Get a command line window and go to SwingBench folder to execute command swingbench with parameter "-c" to the oeconfig.xml. Just like the first test run, just fill in the required information. You can see here that information at the upper right corner is slightly different from SOE test run. The same procedure can be executed for calling circle ccconfig.xml to simulate telecommunication-based database and sales history shconfig.xml to simulate decision support system database. But you have to create the calling circle user schema and sales history user schema respectively to be able to run the tests. SwingBench is highly configurable. It allows you to edit the XML config files so that you don't need to re-enter information each time you run a test. SwingBench also allows you to create your own test, which is outside the scope of this video. If SwingBench does not support your platform, such as Sun Solaris, you can run it from client computer, which is a better simulation of real production environment. In this picture, SwingBench runs a test from my laptop to my desktop database server. It's a state-of-the-art Core i7 laptop, if you know what I mean. Finally, SwingBench comes with few useful utilities such as data generator, mini-bench, and char-bench. You can explore the documentation for these utilities. To sum it up, SwingBench is a valuable tool to test database server for production deployment. You can't miss this software. That is for now, guys. See you again later in different videos. Thank you for watching and thank you, Dominic, for creating such a great software. Bye bye.